In this video, I will show you an amazing YouTube niche that is getting people thousands of views every single day, and how these views are turning into tens of thousands of dollars every single month. Things are about to get interesting as YouTube is monetizing YouTube Shorts in 2023. And I want to show you how to double down and make money on YouTube by creating these YouTube short videos and long-form content using an AI content creation tool that's going to do all the work for you. You don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. I will walk you through and show you how anybody can start this, and on top of that, I will also give you some tips on how to make money on YouTube with ad revenue. Plus, I will also show you how you can double down and make hundreds of dollars every single day with affiliate marketing products that you can promote. Welcome to my channel. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The niche that we are talking about is the facts niche. You can talk about different types of facts. It could be about space facts, life facts, etc. If you go over to YouTube, you can see people talking about different types of facts. Take a look at this channel over here. This is a guy that's absolutely crushing. You can make these fact videos from any country whatsoever and make from $6,500 a month, all the way up to $100,000. YouTube Shorts is a great way to implement this, especially since it will be monetized in 2023. And these channels are putting different types of factual information on their channels. If you click on any one of their videos and you scroll down, you can see that they are monetizing through merch sales. On top of that, they are also making some really good money with YouTube ad revenue. To create the videos, the first thing that you need, which is really important, is to go out and find an AI content creation tool. And you need to worry you, but I've had that figured out. The tool you're going to use is this one over here called invideo.io. All you need to do is click on the link in the description of this video and sign up for invideo. Invideo is an amazing tool where you can go and convert text to video. I know it's so crazy. This is an all-in-one video maker. I use this myself on a lot of my channels because it is so simple. It's also very powerful. It has an AI voiceover that you can use inside these videos, especially in the YouTube short, to help them blow up. And also for you to get your channel monetized so that you can start making money on YouTube. To get the text that you will convert, first head on to Google.com and search for some facts. After that, go to Quillbot, paste the text and click on the paraphrase button. This is going to rewrite this for you. What's really important as well when you're doing these different types of text-to-speech is you need to put commas, punctuation marks everywhere it is needed. If you're doing a short, the video has to be within the range of 58 to 60 seconds. InVideo is absolutely free. But remember, if you use any premium footage, you need to have a paid plan. If you don't, then it's going to be absolutely for free. After you've created the video, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and click on to export. If you're looking to make money before getting accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, well, you must have heard of affiliate marketing. You promote other people's product and you get a share when someone purchases the product. A product you can promote is, in fact, in video. You can actually go out there and tell people how you make your videos and tell them to buy this amazing product. What you need is to simply go over to invideo.io and sign up for their affiliate program. The second way that you can make money with affiliate marketing with this your YouTube video traffic is to come over to platforms like ClickBank.com, Digital24, JVZoo, etc. Sign up for any one of the affiliate products that they are promoting. Once you sign up to ClickBank, you could come over here to their marketplace. And you will see that they've got a range of different types of products you can promote. Being in the fact niche affords you the opportunity to talk about so many different things. You can be talking about health, you can be talking about money, etc. So whatever product you want to promote, you'd want to come over to YouTube and promote the products. As an example, let's say you're making a video about health facts. You can go over to ClickBank and get a fitness and health product to promote. And if you check the products on any of these affiliate platforms, you will see that you can earn way over $140 for every single sale. Amazing, right? There is a way to optimize these different videos to help you get even more views. And that comes through SEO and using different types of keywords inside your title. Also in the description of that video include tags. So in order to do that, what you want to do is use this software over here called vidIQ. You can Google it. I've also got a link in my description for you, but once you click on this, you can pretty much see here that this is designed to boost your YouTube features. You want to give your videos the best chance for people to see it and potentially click on any one of your affiliate links. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to download this extension. Once you download this extension, what you're going to see is a lot of useful infos. Like if I click on this person's channel, and I click on this video. The other really good thing about vidIQ is that it's going to show you what people are searching for, which is going to help you get these views. So if you come over to vidIQ, and you type in something like interesting facts, or life facts, etc. You can see the interesting fact is searched hundreds of thousands of times on YouTube. So using a good SEO tool, in conjunction with invideo, is really going to help you blow up. Now all that's left for you to do is to come over to invideo. Make as many of these different types of videos. And also don't create only YouTube short videos, but also start creating longer format videos and upload them every single day. That is what I recommend that you do. This is what you need to do in order to get traction to get your views. If you want to get monetized through the YouTube Partner Program with your standard videos, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to be monetized within a 12-month period. For YouTube Shorts, you need to have at least 10 million views and 1,000 subscribers over a 90-day period. This is what qualifies you for the YouTube Partner Program. So you can start to make money on YouTube. And the best way to make money, as a side hustle, is to start making this passive income using videos. So that's one way that you can make money using invideo and creating these YouTube Shorts. YouTube automation can no longer be easier than this. If you made it this far in this video, it means you're serious about this. Thanks for watching this video. Share your opinions in the comment section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.